All right, this question is asking what is x and 4x to the 4th equals 16x to the 9th. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this so that we can see our exponents clearly. 4x to the 4th equals 16x to the 9th. Now, this looks pretty hard, but it's not that hard. Just remember a couple of things about solving for x. We want to get x alone and on one side of the equation. So the first step I'm going to take is to divide by 16. And why do we do that? Because 16 over 16 simplifies to just 1 over 1, and essentially you're left with just x to the 9th. We want to keep the equation balanced, so you must also divide by 16 on the left. And that reduces down to 1 over 4. So you have 1 over 4, or 1/4 x to the 4th. Okay, we're almost there. We want to get all our x's to one side of the equation, so I'm going to divide by x to the 4th on the left-hand side. And that is because x to the 4th over x to the 4th will simplify to just 1. Keep the equation balanced by dividing by x to the 4th on the right-hand side. And so we're left with 1/4 equals x to the 9th over x to the 4th. Okay, we're almost there. We need to look at the right-hand side and notice that they have the same base. They're both x's. So we're going to use a nice little shortcut where we can simplify this. And what I'm doing here is subtracting the exponents. And you can do that when the bases are the same. They're both x's. So you're left with x to the power of 5. 1/4 equals x to the power of 5. Now, we need to get x alone, so the inverse of x to the power of 5 is the 5th root of x to the 5th. Keep the equation balanced by taking the 5th root on the left-hand side, and so you get x equals the 5th root of 1 over 4. You can rewrite it like this. X equals the 5th root of 1 over 4, or the decimal approximation of 0.758. And that is your final answer. If you'd like to connect and learn a little bit more about how this works, we can set up some online sessions. Just get in touch with me. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.